Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to use Njrat, as it's been requested twice. And also, I've been meaning to do this video for ages, and I keep getting interrupted again and again and again. So I'm going to do it now, when I have the time. So, as with just about all RAT clients, if not all of them, you're going to need to disable your antivirus, and just for good measure, disable your firewall as well. Just to be super sure that this will not be a problem. Sorry, that the URL file won't cause a problem. So, to download Njrat and open it, it will ask you for a port to listen on. I'm going to use the default one. Click on Start, and I'm listening on that port. So, we've got settings. Let's start with the builder, I think. So we've got the host name, the victim name, the exe copy name, and where to put it to. Now, I've noticed in Njrat, to get it to come up, for all users on the computer to come up, make sure it's in all user profile. This isn't as good as Start Commit, because Start Commit seems to do that anyway. Then we've got the icon, whether you want that or not, like a custom one. Protect the process with the blue screen of death. I've only seen that work on Windows XP in my VM. Copy it to the startup folder, I assume. Add it as a registry key to startup, so it'll run at startup. And the keylogger size, I assume that's the maximum. So let me build one. XP test. Won't bother having it copy or running at startup, but we will have it protected with the blue screen of death. Let's build this one. There it is. It's actually not. We'll call it server.exe. There we go. Done. Click on OK. And now let's go open the VM. And while the VM boots up, I'm going to tell you more about some of the other features, like the settings, what's in the about, and the logs. I think I'll do logs at the end. Oops, right. So, in about, you've probably got some rather outdated about thing, Firefox Stealer, Chrome Stealer, blah 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 blah. You've got the, so nothing really useful in the about section. Settings, we've got the remote desktop, auto start, remote cam. I'm actually not made that auto start because I'm actually no. We've got the remote camera auto start, remote mic, and you can choose a buffer size, I think it was called. Auto start camera quality, auto start desktop quality. Then we've got what's shown in the logs. I check them all by default. I think it's like that. Then we've got the on login show alert, so I think that means like the little pop-up box, and the refresh rate I've set to ultra, and then click on save. So let's see if this is booted up yet. No, it has not at all. So let's go into this. A few things to note about Njrat. It does, once someone's run the server, it does take a while to connect to you. So don't worry if it doesn't appear to work. It is working. Just taking a while for it to actually sort of run, well, to connect. And I will be showing off all the features of Njrat because there aren't very many features of Njrat. I'm going to delete these. They're not important right now. I'll wait for the computer to get going. Then we'll go into my shared folder, and we'll continue. Although now the VM's lagged. How infuriating. That didn't sound good. Stupid, super slow computer. Right. Oh, okay, I didn't share my other one. Anyway, I should have it in here. There we go. Going out to there. Now we are going to run it. So like this, let's just minimize this. And after a while, quite a long while, let's make sure I've updated. Yes, I have. We should see me appear up here. There we go. Took a while. Then we get the Windows XP test come up. IP address, Luke. Oh, okay, that one quickly. Print. All this stuff basically. Come up here. We've got a screen, which is black for some reason. There we go. So the only thing you can change is the screen size. By default, it's on the smallest. So we have the name of the computer, the IP address of the computer, what the PC is called, who the user is, the install date, the flag of the country, the operating system, the camera, whether they have one or not, the version of that, the ping, and the active window. So let's start. We have the manager. Very basic. We've got a file manager. We can do things like, if we go into a folder, we can do all of these many things to the folder. Never tried WinRAR. Might RAR it without actually having WinRAR. Who knows? I'll try that later. Process manager, pretty obvious. Oops. Shows all the processes. Shows your one. Oh dear. We've got connections. Shows all the connections in your ones in green. Oh no, established ones in green. Got the remote registry. That's pretty obvious what you can do. Edit, make a new value. Blah 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 blah. Delete thing. Break the computer. We've got remote shell, which is basically a remote CMD. So you can do all your favourite CMD commands. And then we have services, which just shows all the services, and you can stop them or pause them or start them. And in connections, you can kill connections, and that's it. That's it for the manager. Very basic. We've got run file from a link disk, or run a script. You can run a few more scripts in .comet. You can run text, HTML, and HTA. I don't understand what HTA is. Maybe I do without knowing. Anyway, I don't know what HTA is. You can type the script up in there. Oh, sorry, that was it. Choose the thingy. VB. Message box. Oops. I don't know much VB except that one. Hi. Execute. You might hear a dong. There we go. Took a while. Did it. There we go. Hi. It runs much slower. It's much more stable than .comet in the sense of running things. That took quite a bit of time, whereas .comet was like instantly. So that's run file or script. We've got remote desktop, which I'll show now. So the remote desktop is much better than .comet's. As you can see, we can see the whole screen without having to worry about diminishing the size ourselves. You can just simply do this. Autosave, I assume, controls whether you want to record what you're doing. So as you can see, the mouse is moved to just about exactly where our mouse is. You can force click to make things click exactly where you want. This also means you can drag click. So you can click on my computer. For example, you can hover over this. Right click, sorry, took a while. And you can actually drag click, unlike in .comet, which would just force click. So even when someone's mouse is moving, it usually force moves their mouse. So the remote desktop is much, much better. Okay, you can't see what I'm doing, probably because of the desktop, but I've described it well enough. I don't know how long you haven't been able to see for. Let's come out of that. Next, we have remote camera, which I won't show because this one doesn't have a camera. Microphone, pretty obvious what that does. Get passwords, pretty obvious what that does. Keylogger, I'll open that. Unfortunately, you can't see. Okay, I haven't typed anything in the VM. Oh no, now you can see. So let's go into the VM. Oh dear, what did I type? Damn it, I just went and closed it down. No. God damn it, well, I'll just type loads of stuff. No, where is it? Let's search. Run. No, go ahead. What the hell? Run. I don't want to create shit. What the hell is it doing? Okay, so what? What the hell's wrong with the computer? Okay. I didn't type anything in the VM. so there won't be anything in there, and I've already died. So oh dear, stupid me. So anyway, basically, the keylogger is quite good. It's not as good as Dark Comet's because it doesn't actually capture every single key. For some reason, it will miss out a key. Don't know why. And although it does have one cool feature, which is when it says del, you know, when someone's pressed the backspace key, you can get rid of that so it looks a bit more normal, usually. So it better be restarting. Okay, that's good. So that's the keylogger. I'll show you open chat, server actions, and open folder just opens the folder on your side. So yeah, sorry about this. That was a very foolish click of me. So Njrat is more stable, I guess, than Dark Comet. Oh, it's coded in VB and not in Pascal or Delphi or whatever Dark Comet was coded. I think it's Pascal. It'll tell you in the about section of Dark Comet. So after a little while of booting up, we should come up on here and I can continue the video. Actually, this will be a good time to show you the logs. While waiting, so as you can see, we can see it goes highest is the most current, so we can see connected. Windows XP test ready, and it shows me executing this. Connected, disconnected, then connection reset, blah 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 blah. So in a second, once it run, fine. Oh no, I didn't, of course. Good thing I didn't delete it. That was silly of me. I could have been waiting ages. So we did. So let's rerun the server. Takes a while, and in a minute we'll get back on here. Hopefully. That'd be annoying if we couldn't. Oh dear, I didn't like that. Okay, the VM's crashed and I clicked and it went boop of death. Oh, okay. Oh dear, we've slightly broken stuff. Oh, I've come up twice for some reason. Oh, that was when I was testing something else. Okay, I don't know why I only just decided to come up. Anyway, now we have two of me. And so as you can see, this thing doesn't have a process mutex. Actually, no, oh no, don't worry, actually, you know what I just said then. So, let's go to keylogger. Actually, no, let me type something, and then we'll come back to keylogger. Run. You better not go on, there we go. There we go. Now we can really test out the keylogger. There we go. Didn't do very much at all. Barely did it. I typed in lots of text there. And you can also just fix backspacing. So apparently I typed in that when actually I typed in... Okay, I typed in a bit more than that. Oh dear, I've broken something. Right, I couldn't tell if that was... Oh dear, that was on there. Anyway, so that's keylogger. Open chat. Now in the chat, you can choose to have any nickname you want. We'll go with the strange looking hacker one. There we go, we're connected. Oh. Now on their side, oh dear, you can't see. Oh no, you can. Good. So on their side, you can't close it. You can maximize it, but you cannot minimizing is cool. It just bounces off again. I like that feature. That's cool. So it looks normal. Oh dear, but you can't actually do anything about it. So you can just close it and it'll be gone from their side. Oops. Close that. So pretty cool. Now on the server we can update it from a file or disk. Sorry, disk or link. And uninstall the server, which removes it from their computer completely. We can restart the server, turns it off and on again. Close the server. Stops it from running. Disconnect the server. Stops it from connecting to the connecting to you, I assume. Yeah, okay. And then you can also rename the server to whatever you want. And you can also open folder. And we can see the keylogger and the keylogger, sorry, the screen and the keylogger file. So let's finish by installing these rats. there we go. So that's pretty much it for Njrat. Fortunately I did this without any interruptions. So last time it didn't actually stop recording when I pressed F10, which was irritating, so this time I'm going to make sure it doesn't happen again. So anyway, if you did like this video, then like, comment and subscribe, and have a nice day. Thanks for watching.